Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
Today I want to talk about a sailing emergency where you might hit a submerged object or run aground and punch a large hole or crack into the hull of your sailboat. The first thing you want to do will be to slow down your speed, heel the sailboat over in the opposite direction of the crack or hole, and then patch the damage. If possible, drape a sail or large mattress around the hull so that it covers the damaged area. This will slow the intrusion of water into your boat. On the inside of your hull, make a strong back and cushion compression patch. A strong back can be any square object like a large book, a hatch cover, or a piece of plywood. Place this directly on top of a cushion or mattress that covers the hull. Place a second cushion or mattress on top of the strong back. Form a brace with a spinnaker pole or oar or whisker pole. Here you can see we've jammed the bottom of our brace into the cushion nearest the patch and the other end to the overhead or bulkhead. We've also placed an orange cushion on the far side to help hold the brace in place. Use these easy sailing tips to put you in control in a flooding emergency and help keep your sailing crew safe and sound on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.